how to scan a QR code in your PC without using your webcam. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can scan your QR code in your PC without using your webcam. So let's get started. The first step is open up a web browser and simply search for QR code scanner. After you search for it, you can choose whichever website that you like. So yeah, open that up. And after doing that, what you'll need to do is open up your location. You'll simply need to open up your QR code and then drag it and drop it. So let me just remove this ad here. And now all I need to do is simply scan now. So tap on scan now, and now I'll need to drop my image here. To drop my image, I'll just drag it and drop it here, and then it will give me the scanned data. So it's right here, and that's basically how you scan a QR code in your PC. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.